any cuts in entitlements and even invoked the Occupy Wall Street movement.
We want to welcome you to the first meeting of Occupy the Joint Committee.
Meaning the super committee. And if it didn't have enough trouble already, the AARP is running an ad with a pointed warning of its own.
Washington, before you even think about cutting my Medicare and Social Security benefits, here's a number you should remember: 50 million. We are 50 million seniors who earned our benefits. And you will be hearing from us today and on Election Day.
That is the most disgusting ad I've ever seen.
Disgusting, the co-chairman of the President's Fiscal Commission says, because it disregards a painful fact that programs such as Medicare are unsustainable unless changes are made. But that's not the view among the liberals who rallied today.
We are not going to accept Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid cuts. We are not going to abandon seniors and children.
And AARP argues Congress should bring down health care costs before it considers changes.
The debate we're having in Congress right now is really not about holding down health care costs. We think the real debate has to be lowering health care costs, not simply shifting the costs to somebody else.
But with baby boomers retiring, the federal government has promised tens of trillions more in benefits than it can pay for. Jim Martin runs a group that takes a very different view from AARP, which he advertises, and Martin advocates careful reforms to keep the program solvent.
The fact is, with more going on the rolls, there isn't enough money to go around to provide the services we need unless we reform the system.
That's why the super committee's been looking at some modest changes to entitlements.
Even the president has said the major drivers of our debt are Medicare, Medicaid, and health care. Nothing else comes close.
Budget hawks argue something has to be